Gel builder looks so easy to use, and sometimes someone may think that it's so easy. Yeah, so let's get into it together and learn. First, I'm going to prepare my nails by cleaning, filing, yeah. Also, I'll remove the cuticles, push back the cuticles. Then after that, I'm going to choose my nail tips for every finger. Then I use my bonding glue, nail glue, to stick the tips on my nails. You don't need to use a lot of glue on one tip, because a lot of it may cause it not to stick so well. So it's just a bit, just a little bit. So I'll start with my left hand. Before the glue application on the tips, you need to check the size of your nails. You compare with the nail tips that you have. Yeah, for every finger you test, then you put on a glue, just like I've said, a little. Then you stick on your nail. You hold it for some times until it sticks. Then you try pressing, yeah, until you feel it's fine. Now I'm done with my left hand. Yeah, and I want to start doing my right hand bit by bit, step by step, starting with the thumb, going through to the last finger. I will repeat the same thing that I did on my left hand. Yeah, you see how I'm pressing it so it don't disappoint. Now I'm done with both hands, so I'm going to use my clipper cutter to reduce the length of my nail tips, because I don't want them to be too long. Yeah, you can leave it like that if you like it that long, but for me I'll reduce mine because I do a lot of work with my hands, so it will be better shorter. Going in with my nail file to give my nails a good shape, and also to smoothen the edges, because they was, after cutting, they were so sharp. I will repeat the same step up to my last finger, then again to my right hand. Buffing now to smoothen it a bit. Using my brush now to apply IBD gel builder, getting over entire nail, extending the tips to create desired shape. Yeah, just do it there. We'll need much there because it might break, so a thicker layer must be. Then you just brush off those edges. To the next finger we do the same. After you're done with the entire hand, done with all the fingers, 5 fingers, you are going to cure the gel for 2 minutes if it's a UV lamp, or 60 seconds LED. Here I'm now doing my magics. My love for beadwork. I love beads. You just want some madoido with these beads on my nails. So, and it really came out very well. Just watch until the end, you'll see. I'm going to apply the second layer on the beads too. Second layer of builder gel, then cure for 2 minutes. You can repeat the layers so many times. It will depend with the length and thickness of the nails you desire to have after the end of this video. Wipe your done nails with a wet cotton or a cloth to remove the stickiness that remains after gel curing. Filing now my nails even on the top, on the surface, because some areas are so thick than the others, so I'll just file the surfaces to level up and also to give it a nice shape.